let's start off with the A major shape. We're using 2, 3, 4th finger on the 2nd frets of the 4th or D string, 3rd or G string, and 2nd or B string. So we're now going to move it up 2 frets. 1, 2. Our fingers still on the same shape, but they are now on the 4th fret. And then there's this finger. Where's this one going to go? Well, this one is going to go on the 1st string or the E string at the 2nd fret. And so if you see the diagram of the B major shape, you'll see that strings 6 and 5 are not played. They have the X on the top there. The chords should sound like this. Okay, so let's try just playing A and B together. A, remember, will be going down 2 frets. 1, 2. Some learners often wonder if they should be making that squeaky sound when they change from A to B. Well, it's absolutely fine going like this. It's fine. I wouldn't worry about it. You can hear it on many records.